In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your personal invite link in Chrome and post it in FriendBar community threads to start receiving rewards automatically. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign in to the platform where your invite link is available. Once you're on the correct page, locate your personal invite URL. This is the unique link connected to your account, and it's what allows the system to track any new users who register through your referral. When you find it, copy the full link carefully. A quick tip here is to make sure you copy the entire URL without leaving out any characters, because even a small mistake can prevent the referral from being tracked properly. After you've copied your invite link, the next step is to go to the FriendBar community thread channels. These are the spaces where users share information, connect with others, and post referral links for visibility. Once you're inside the appropriate thread, paste your personal invite URL into the message field. Before posting, it's a good idea to quickly check that the link appears correctly and looks complete. Clean formatting helps make your post easier for others to read and click. When you're ready, submit the post in the thread channel. The goal here is simply to make your invite link visible in the right community space so that interested users can access it. Make sure you're posting in the correct FriendBar thread channels, since placing your link in the proper area improves the chance that it will be seen by people who are actually looking for these types of invites. Once your link is posted, the process becomes automatic. As new users register through your personal invite URL, the reward system will track those signups and apply your rewards accordingly. In other words, after sharing your link, you don't need to manually monitor every registration for the referral to count, as long as the platform system is set up to do that automatically. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, copy your personal invite URL, post it in the FriendBar community thread channels, and then let the system handle the rewards as new users sign up. If you follow these steps carefully and use the correct link in the correct location, the process should be simple and effective from start to finish.